Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your GK sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, today we are going to solve GK class 3rd sample paper 4. So let's begin. Question number first. The planet's name is derived from the Roman god of the sea. Identify it. Our options are Neptune, Mars, Saturn and Uranus. And the correct answer is Neptune. Option A. Question number 2. A bright streak in the sky caused by a burning space rock is called as meteor. Option A. Actually, it burns up as it enters Earth's atmosphere. That's why it is called meteor. And it gives it a striking effect like this. Okay. Question number 3. This term refers to planets located beyond the solar system. What is it? So there are some planets which are defined as the planets that orbit a star outside the solar system. So they are known as exoplanets. Option A is the correct one. Question 4. Farmers depend on heavy rainfall for crops. Identify the time of the year. So when do we have heavy rainfall? We have it in monsoon. So option A is the correct answer. 5th question. Blossoming flowers and mild weather mark which part of the year? When do the flowers bloom? It blooms in spring. Option A. Spring is related with the end of winter and beginning of the warmer weather. So it helps in blooming the flowers. Question number 6. A festive air surrounds villages as they gather the season's harvest. Which one of it is? I'm repeating. Question 6. A festive air surrounds villages as they gather the season's harvest. Which one is it? Options are spring, summer, autumn, monsoon. And our correct answer is autumn. Option C. It is the harvest season for major crops. Question number 7. A communication breakthrough was made with the invention of the telegraph, which allowed messages to be transmitted over long distances. Who is responsible for inventing this device? So the person who is responsible for inventing this device is known as Samuel Morse. Option A. Question number 8. Who is recognized for inventing the first electric fan, a device that provided relief from the heat and greatly influenced the way people lived in warmer climates? So the correct answer is Schuyler Wheeler. Option A. He invented the two-blade electric fan in 1882. 9th question. The term for energy emitted by stars like the sun is called radiation. Option A. 10th. The closest point in Earth's orbit to the sun is termed as perihelion. Option A. It is the point in orbit of planet, asteroid or comet at which it is closest to the sun, and this aphelion is the farthest point. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. The circulatory system is tasked with transporting blood throughout the body. What are the small blood vessels responsible for the exchange of nutrients and gases at the cellular level? Options are lymph vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. And the correct answer is capillaries, option D. 12th, the skin helps maintain the body's temperature homeostasis through a process that regulates heat loss and retention. What is this process called? We have the options as sweating, breathing, digestion, and circulation. So, sweating is the process where sweat glands produce sweat which evaporates from skin surface and cools the body. So, therefore, correct answer is option A. 13th question. The bones that form the human skeletal system are primarily composed of which material? Essential for providing structure and support to the body. And options are calcium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. So the correct answer is calcium, option A. 14th question. The body's immediate reaction to a sudden threat, which prepares it to either fight or flee, is known as fight or flight response. Which system is responsible for initiating this reaction? So the system which is responsible for initiating this reaction is called nervous system. Option C. 15th question. A person is unable to move their arm due to nerve damage. Which system in the body is responsible for controlling movement and could be impacted in such scenario? So which system? There are four systems given over here: skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, and respiratory system. And the correct answer is nervous system. Okay, because it is due to nerve damage, so nervous system is responsible. Question 16. CEO is commonly used abbreviation in the business world, signifying a critical leadership role. What does this acronym stand for? From these four options, CEO, the full form of it is Chief Executive Officer, option A. It is the highest ranking executive in a company responsible for overall strategic directions and management. Next question, 17th. What is the full form of PIN in PIN code? So full form of PIN is Postal Index Number. Option B. It is a six-digit code used by Indian Post for identifying specific geographic location. Question number 18. A company sends out an email inviting recipients to confirm their attendance at an event with the subject line RSVP. What does this abbreviation stand for? This abbreviation stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît. Option A. And what does this mean? It comes from a French phrase which means please respond or reply. 19th question. SMS is widely used form of communication in modern mobile phones. What does this abbreviation stand for? This abbreviation stands for Short Message Service. Option A. It is a text messaging services on which component of most telephone, internet, and mobile device system. It is the component of maximum of it. 20th question. PC is a term often used in computing world. What does this abbreviation stand for and how is it commonly used? PC, the full form of PC is personal computer. Option B. PC means whose size, capabilities, and original sale price make it useful for individual personal usage. Question number 21. Shanghai, one of the largest cities in China, is situated along the banks of which major river? A central feature in the city's geography and economy. So the correct answer to this is Yangtze, option B. This is the longest river in Asia and Shanghai is situated on the banks of this river. Question number 22. Moscow, the capital city of Russia, is located along which major river which has played an essential role in the city's historic development? So the option is Volga, option A, is the correct answer. 23. Hong Kong, a global financial hub, is located near which river that has influenced the region's growth and development over the years? So, our correct answer to this is Pearl River, option A. Next question. What does ISRO stand for? So ISRO is known as the Space Agency of Government of India. Its headquarter is in Bangalore, and the correct full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Option C. 25th question. Which river flows through Hamburg, Germany, a city renowned for its port and maritime history and plays an important role in its economy? So the correct answer to this is option D, Elbe. 26th question. Antarctica is mainly covered by which element? Options are water, rocks, ice, and soil. So, Antarctica is mainly covered with ice. Option C. It has the permanent ice sheet covering over 98% of the land mass of Antarctica. Question 27. The longest river in the world, the Nile, is located on which continent? So, it is located on Africa, option A. And Nile is the longest river in the world. 28. A vast river in Asia, known for being one of the longest in the world, flows through China. What is it? So, which river flows through China? It is Yangtze River, option A. And it is the longest river in Asia and third longest in the world. Next, 29. The continent of Europe is bordered by which two oceans? So it is bordered by Atlantic Ocean to the west and Arctic Ocean to the north. So our correct option is option A, Atlantic and Arctic. Next, which 30th question, which ancient wonder of the world is still standing today? Correct answer is option C, Great Pyramid of Giza. It is the only one of the seven ancient wonders of the world that is still largely intact and standing today. Question number 31st. A player suffers an injury during a rugby match and the referee must take immediate action. What is the first step the referee will take in response to the situation? See, if any player is injured, what we will do, or either what referee will do, he will stop the play and call for medical assistance. So option B is the correct answer. 32. Who was the first African American athlete to win an Olympic gold medal in track and field, breaking racial barriers and making history? The correct answer to this is Jesus Owens. Okay. Next question. 33rd. A great amphitheater that once held gladiator contests is located in Rome. What is it called? It is called Colosseum. Option A. It is the Roman amphitheater. Question number 34. An ancient city with magnificent ruins is located in Greece. Where is it? It is in Athens. Option A. It is the capital and largest city of Greece and one of the world's oldest city. 35th question. A large white dome built as symbol of love stands in India. What is this monument? It is Taj Mahal. Option A. And it is in Agra and it was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz. Question number 36. A massive structure was built to honor those who died during the American Civil War. Where is it? It is in Washington Monument. So it is Washington Monument. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 37. A landmark in Paris known for its iron structure stands tall in France. What is it called? It is called Eiffel Tower. Option A. It is the famous landmark in Paris, France. 38th question. An editor decides to trim a scene from a film adaptation to make the movie shorter. What does this decision reflect about the editing process? It defines as artistic choice, option A. Okay. Next question, 39. What is the most common reason people choose to read novels, and how does this form of literature typically engage readers? So, the option is entertainment, option A, because it engages the readers. 40th question. Which of the following platforms is primarily used for streaming video content offering a wide variety of films, series, and documentaries? Our options are radio, Netflix, newspaper, and television. So, first, let's see what are the roles of all of them. Radio is kind of audio telecast, isn't it? Newspaper is for printing news to read it. And television is broadcast medium through which it can be also used for streaming for additional services. But Netflix is the broadcast medium which is used for streaming video contents offering a wide variety of films, series, and documentaries. So option B is the correct answer. So here ends our 40 questions, and we have done this sample paper. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. And I hope this information is helpful for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.